Happy Mother's Day, dear Mom. You are the greatest gift that one can ask from God. I'm so lucky to have you in my life. You have not just been my best friend, but also my mentor, as you have always guided me on the path to lead a meaningful and happy life. Whatever I am to do or have achieved in my life is because of your guidance and strong support. You are my source of power and motivation. Thank heaven for blessing me with such an angel. Love you to the moon and back. It's not how much you do, but how much you put into the doing that matters.
Wow. Who do you write this?
For Mother's Day,
To whom?
to our mothers.
When did you give me this? When did you write it?
Night,
What time did you write it?
5,
Oh, 5 afternoon, 5 morning. Evening, yeah?